how to make money online ethically. It's coming up. Let's talk about this. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you want to know how to build a business online ethically, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. So how do you do this? How does this work? How is this even possible? Well, first of all, there's billions of people, of course, out there in the world, and all people have problems. People have problems. That's just part of the nature of living here on this earth. We've got problems. So the key to making money is to find a problem that people have, maybe a group of problems that are all related and connected together. So this group of problems that people have, you're going to find the people who have this problem. That's called a niche market. So you're going to find your niche. You're going to select a niche. It's got to be something that you are passionate about, and that also the problem is big enough that people are willing to pay for a solution. Anytime there's an exchange of money. Money is basically it's a placeholder for value. So anytime there's an exchange of money, money is just a way that people assign value to things. So when you're exchanging money, there's always an exchange of value. For example, solving some kind of problem. So you're going to find these people who have a problem, something that you're passionate about, something that you can keep talking about and creating content on for a long period of time. Something that you really care about, but also that intersects in the sense that is profitable, that there's money to be made there, that people are willing to pay for that solution, right? And then you're going to find the products, affiliate products specifically, that can help solve this problem. So there's a problem that people have. There's products out there that already exist. You don't have to create the product. You don't have to do the market research. You don't have to do all the work behind creating and marketing the product. What you're going to do is you're going to become an affiliate of these products that already exist to help solve these problems. Then you just got to be the bridge. You have to be the person who's going to connect the people who have this problem, who are looking for a solution, to the solution that they're looking for. And the way to do that, there's different ways, there's multiple ways, but the way that I suggest, especially if you're just getting started and if you're new, and if you don't have a budget for advertising, then the way that I suggest is with content marketing. So what is content marketing? It's simply that you create valuable content that is of use, of value, of, that offers something to that market, to that niche, to the people who have the problem. So for example, you would figure out what are the people searching for? What kind of solutions are they searching for? When they're going in and searching for solutions on Google, what are they typing in? What search terms are they using? And then you're going to go and start creating content around those search terms. And the content has to be of value. Come up with this content idea for, around a keyword that someone's searching on. You can make a video on it using your phone. You can record a video, and then you can publish that video to YouTube. And then you go find another keyword that people are searching for, or another topic that those people are looking for help on. You make that video, you publish that video to YouTube. And you keep doing this over and over and over again. So through content marketing, you're creating content and you're publishing that content, and you're allowing people to find your content that'll attract those people to you. The people who are looking for that solution, they're going to be attracted to you through the content that you publish. And then as you keep continuing to publish that content and you do some things to help people discover the content, such as search engine optimization, maybe marketing it with social media, sharing it with social media, and different things, paid traffic if you want to have a budget, if you are willing to do that. There's different ways to promote the content. But the idea is to create the content, get that content in front of the people who are looking for those answers, those solutions. And then from the content, then you can link them over to your affiliate link, recommending those products that'll help them continue to solve their problems. Right? So you got your free content, the free content that you're creating that helps them solve their problems, but then you also connect them to paid products and services with an affiliate link that can help them further solve their problem. And that's how you ethically make money online. You make a commission by recommending things that'll actually help people solve their problems and have a better life and get from where they are now to where they want to go. That's the basic idea behind it. And really, it's a very simple process, but most people don't do it. Most people don't do it. And because mostly it's because of fear and self-doubt and skepticism. And really, it's natural to be a skeptic. It's natural to think, is this really going to work? Or is it going to work for me? Because maybe you've seen that it works for other people, but maybe you're just not sure if it can work for you. And I want to encourage you that it can absolutely work for you if you put in that effort, if you keep learning how to improve your skills around creating the content and optimizing the content and promoting the content. And if you keep working on building that audience and then taking that audience, building something like an email list, building an email list so you can follow up with those people, and then recommending relevant, helpful products and services. This really is the basic strategy behind building a business online with affiliate marketing, and it is completely ethical as long as you're not making exaggerated claims or lying through your teeth about what it is that you're promoting, what it is you're offering, right? If you're making these just wild, just outlandish, exaggerated claims, then of course that falls on the line of whether that's ethical or not, depending on what your ethics are, I suppose. But for the most part, I would say it's not ethical to make these wildly exaggerated claims. But you can paint the picture of what's possible. For example, is it possible for somebody who's working from home part-time while they maintain a day job to make $100,000 per month with affiliate marketing? Yes, it is possible. Is it likely? Is it easy? Is it quick and fast? No. If you want to make $100,000 per month online using affiliate marketing, it's going to take some work. You're going to have to put out a lot of content. You're going to have to work on getting that content in front of people. You're going to have to develop some skills and some habits, and you're going to have to do some things. You're going to have to put in the effort. You can't get there without the effort. And so there's a lot of people out there who will promise these kind of results, that you can do it and it's quick and easy and free, and just there's people who will just make these exaggerated claims. So to do something like that ethically would be to be clear about what the expectation is. Can you make $100,000 per month online? Yes. Does it take work? Yes. So if you want to learn how to do this, how to build an audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing, go ahead and subscribe. And also there's a link down below this video that'll take you to a guide that'll teach you how to do this. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.